friends, learning HTML, CSS, JavaScript is essential for anyone hoping to work as software developer, web developer or front-end developer. Without knowing these languages, we can't enter into developing field. Let's see the roles of HTML, CSS and JavaScript in front-end development. HTML gives the basic structure of a site, which is enhanced and modified by other two technologies, CSS and JavaScript. CSS is used to control the presentation, patterns and layouts, and JavaScript used to control the behavior of different elements. In simple words, take our body as a web page. HTML is the skeleton. Without skeleton, we can't do anything. CSS is the skin. Without skin, we will look ugly. JavaScript is the brain. Without brain, our body will not function. So don't waste your time. Start learning HTML, CSS, JavaScript with Alpha Code Breeze.